Hi guys, today I'm back with a new resin mold to test out. Now this one is for your earbuds, the earbud holder for your case there. So you've got in here, that's the outside, and this is the side we're going to fill up here. So I have, oh, this one's not quite straight. So I have mixed up some epoxy resin and I've added this glitter I used in the earrings the other day, Mermaid, from Glitter Overload in Australia. So I'm just going to fill these up and we'll see how they turn out. I'm just guiding that, make sure that the resin is all the way down on that one. Okie dokie. Well, I'm going to let them cure for probably a week till I get to them. I will pop any bubbles that appear and I'll be back for the unmolding. So this earbud holder has had a week to cure, so let's see what it looks like. Bit. So that's just the inside of that one. I love the glitter. Gosh, it is such a nice chunky glitter mix. All right, now this one. Oh, might be a little bit caught there. There we go. Because that's for the charger. Wow, look at that. So nice. Does it fit? Oh, perfectly. Wow, look at that. That's so nice. I think my daughters will love that. Well, if you're looking for an earbud case cover, give this mold a go, guys. It was super easy and it's turned out great. Well, thanks for watching and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.